Welcome back, plant lovers. If you enjoy filling your home with beautiful flowers and wonderful natural fragrances, then you're in for a treat. While many houseplants are admired for their colorful blooms, some offer an extra special gift, their sweet, unforgettable scent. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by the delicate fragrance of fresh flowers every day. From elegant white blossoms to vibrant tropical blooms, fragrant indoor flowering plants can transform any room into a peaceful, inviting space. In today's video, we'll explore 10 of the most beautiful, fragrant, and specialty indoor flowering plants. You'll learn what makes each one unique, how to care for it, and why it deserves a place in your indoor garden. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's discover these amazing flowering plants together. Number 1. Jasmine. Our first fragrant beauty is jasmine, a graceful climbing vine loved for its delicate white, star-shaped flowers and sweet, relaxing fragrance. Its scent becomes even stronger in the evening, making it perfect for a sunny room or enclosed porch. Jasmine thrives in bright light and enjoys regular watering when the soil begins to dry. With the right care, this elegant plant fills your home with beauty and an unforgettable natural perfume. Number 2. Gardenia. If you love rich floral fragrances, gardenia is a must-have. Its creamy white blooms release one of the sweetest scents found in nature, while its glossy green leaves add beauty year-round. Gardenias prefer bright, indirect light, evenly moist soil, and higher humidity. Although they need a little extra attention, their breathtaking flowers and incredible fragrance make every bit of care worthwhile. Number 3. Stephanotis. Known as the wedding flower, Stephanotis produces elegant white, star-shaped blooms with a rich, sweet fragrance. This climbing vine looks beautiful growing on a small trellis indoors. It enjoys bright, indirect light, moderate watering, and a warm environment. With its long-lasting flowers and delightful scent, Stephanotis adds elegance and romance to any indoor space. Number 4. Hoya Carnosa wax plant. The Hoya Carnosa, also known as the wax plant, is famous for its clusters of star-shaped flowers that look as though they are made from porcelain. These delicate blooms release a sweet, honey-like fragrance, especially during the evening hours. Hoyas are easy to grow and thrive in bright, indirect light with well-draining soil. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings, and avoid moving the plant while flower buds are forming. Once established, a healthy Hoya can bloom year after year with very little maintenance. Number 5. Arabian Jasmine or Jasminum sambec. Our fifth plant is Arabian Jasmine, one of the most cherished fragrant flowering plants in the world. Its small white flowers produce an intense, sweet perfume and are traditionally used to make fragrant jasmine tea. Unlike many flowering plants, Arabian Jasmine can bloom repeatedly throughout the warmer months with proper care. It loves bright sunlight, regular watering, and warm temperatures. Whether placed near a sunny window or in a bright indoor garden, this beautiful plant fills your home with a fresh, relaxing fragrance that's truly unforgettable. Number 6. Paperwhite Narcissus. Our sixth fragrant favorite is the Paperwhite Narcissus, a beautiful flowering bulb that's especially popular during the winter months. Its clusters of delicate white flowers produce a fresh, sweet fragrance that instantly brightens your home. One of the best things about paperwhites is how easy they are to grow. They can even bloom in decorative bowls filled with pebbles and water, without any soil at all. Place them in bright, indirect light, and enjoy their cheerful blooms and wonderful scent for several weeks during the colder season. Number 7. Indoor citrus blossoms. Did you know that indoor citrus trees are loved just as much for their flowers as their fruit? Lemon, lime, orange, and calamondin trees produce small white blossoms with an incredibly fresh, sweet fragrance. Many gardeners say the scent is one of the most refreshing you'll ever experience indoors. Citrus trees need plenty of bright sunlight, well-draining soil, and regular watering. Even if your tree produces only a few fruits, the beautiful blossoms alone make it a rewarding addition to any sunny room. Number 8. Brunfelsia or yesterday, today, and tomorrow. One of the most fascinating flowering plants is Brunfelsia, often called yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Its blooms change color over several days, opening deep purple, fading to lavender, and finally turning white before they fall. This creates a stunning display of 3 colors on the same plant at once. Even better, the flowers release a soft, pleasant fragrance that fills the room. Brunfelsia grows best in bright, indirect light with evenly moist soil and appreciates a little extra humidity. Number 9. Easter lily. The elegant Easter lily is famous for its large, trumpet-shaped white flowers and classic floral fragrance. Each bloom adds beauty, freshness, and a touch of elegance to your home. Place your Easter lily in bright, indirect light and keep the soil evenly moist while it's actively growing. Although it's often enjoyed as a seasonal plant, with proper care the bulb can continue growing and bloom again in future seasons. Its timeless beauty makes it a favorite among flowering houseplants. Number 10. Angel's Trumpet. Our final plant is the spectacular Angel's Trumpet. Its enormous hanging, trumpet-shaped flowers create a dramatic display and release a powerful fragrance that's strongest during the evening. This fast-growing plant loves bright sunlight, regular watering, and plenty of space to grow. In cooler climates, many gardeners keep it in a large container so it can be brought indoors before frost. Important note, every part of Angel's Trumpet is highly toxic if eaten, so always keep it safely away from children and pets. Fragrant indoor flowering plants bring beauty, color, and wonderful natural aromas into your home throughout the year. Whether you prefer the sweet perfume of jasmine, the luxurious scent of gardenia, or the unique beauty of a blooming citrus tree, there's a perfect plant for every home and every gardener. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest gardening tips and plant inspiration. Share this video with a friend who loves houseplants, and let me know in the comments which fragrant flower is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep your plants healthy, happy, and blooming.